Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Khan Academy. First of all, launch open Khan Academy application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to enable the dark mode, for that you'll have to go to settings. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for dark mode experimental. Right now, it is not enabled. So if you want to enable the dark mode, what you have to do is toggle this button right next to the option dark mode. Now after you toggle on the button, you can see over here dark mode will be enabled for this application. So that is how you enable dark mode in Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.